आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay students, let's start solving this question. We have to find the value of x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, for which the function is f of x is equal to tan inverse of tan x, and here the g of x is equal to cos inverse of cos x. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to make the graphical representation. So it will be look like this. Yeah. So now guys, we have to first of all label it. So it is, yeah, arrowhead. First of all we have to draw, right? This is our y-axis, this is our negative y, which we can say that y dash. Here it is x, and here it is our negative x, so it is x dash, right? So it is 0, this is pi by 2. Similarly it is going to be our pi, yeah, it is 3 pi by 2, and here it is going to be our 2 pi. Because it is given in the question our x lie between 0 to 2 pi, so we are going to draw the graph between 0 to 2 pi, right? Here it is going to be pi by 2, and here it is going to be our pi, right guys? So first of all, let's draw the graph of f of x, right? So tan inverse of tan x, right, at the value of 0, so it is going to be 0, so it's starting from 0 and going up to pi by 2, right? So it going to be look like this. Yeah, we are just connecting it like this. Similarly at pi, tan inverse of tan pi, it is going to be up to, similarly pi by 3 pi by 2 up to here. So this line connected something like this, right? It also draw in negative, but I am not drawing in negative because our whole work is going to be in the positive section, right? So we are going to draw in the only first quadrant, right? Similarly tan inverse of tan 2 pi, it is going to be 2 pi and all negative, right? So guys, this blue portion is denoting the f of x, which is equal to our tan inverse of tan x, right guys? So this whole blue portion is our the graph of tan inverse of tan x. So similarly we have to draw the graph of g of x. So in the g of condition, it is going to be start from pi by 2 and going up to the pi value, right? Going up to this point, and again it became a negative, right? So we are going to make this something like this, and again in negative. So here it is, and again it is constantly decreasing up to 2 pi, so it is going to be look like this. So guys, this dotted line of green denotes our g of x graph, which is our cos inverse of cos x, right? So with this question we can clearly identify that applying this graph, we are completely identifying that this whole part are common, right, which are applicable to both, right? So now we can easily say that our x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, right, union of 2 pi, right? Because it is going up to 2 pi, irrespective of the graph, it is going to up to 2 pi, right? So up to this part it is going to be common, right? So our x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 union 2 pi. So this is going to be our where x belongs, right? So this is going to be our answer. Thank you very much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।